Be sure to give them a like. This is an awesome windy low-end demo. Into the teens. Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. So, what's your name and what's in here, man?
My name's Rance. I have 6 Skar EVL15s on 3 SKV2 4500s.
Okay.
Got one of them.
Who built this?
Me and my team and a couple of other buddies. It's a Jacob design.
Is that a 6th order port in the back?
6th order, yeah.
Okay. Wow. Did you slide this box in or built into the vehicle?
It's built in.
Nice work. Man. Do you know your tunings?
My low end peak is 25 hertz.
Okay.
My high end peak is 55. I typically play 20 to 35, but I can play all the way down to 10.
Oh, wow, that's low. All right. Nice. Did you build it for lows or it does well?
Actually, it's what ended up happening.
Awesome. Nice job,
It was
man.
a happy mistake.
Oh, yeah. Yes, sir.
6 EVL15.
Yeah. Thank you for the demo. What was your name?
Appreciate it. Rance Lee.
Rance Lee. Awesome. Thank you, man. I'm going to go check out the back real quick.
No, go ahead.
Awesome.
What's up, man? I'm a big fan.
Hey, how you doing? Thank you. Sorry, I'm recording.
Gotta show the ugliest part.
I like to see everything. I'm sorry, man. Oh, you got your lithium on the side?
Yeah.
Okay.
A little limited on space.
Yeah.
I don't know if you see the back, you'll understand.
Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. You really built into most of the space you could.
Yeah, absolutely. Even had to file down the amps to get past the glass.
Okay.
Brand new out of the box. Just
Yeah. How many gross cubes did you get out of it? You know?
I don't even remember, honestly.
Yeah.
It's been a 1.5-year process on this build, so.
Okay. Nice job. Do you do any SPL on it?
158.2 at 25 hertz.
158 at 12. That is awesome. Awesome, man. Thank you, man. Nice to meet you. Be sure to give them a like. This is an awesome windy low-end demo. Into the teens.
BLC Creamer.
All right.
It's DJ Rusty.
Sharing devils.
That gets really windy low and still has a good hydro on you. Man,
Well,
nice.
I mean, it gets really windy low. It's not too bad, but I can do this too. I can go from the 25 to 27.
BLC Creamer. It's DJ Rustical.
Gold medals.
and I'm directed yet.
Tearing your door up, man. That's crazy. That's really low in response too. Did you build it for Lowe's, or it does well?
Actually, it just is what ended up happening.
Awesome, nice job,
It was
man.
a happy mistake.
Oh yeah, yes sir.
6 EVL 15.
Yeah. Thank you for the demo. What was your name?
Appreciate it. Rance Lee.
Rance Lee.
Bearing pedals to the floor. Power sharing devils to the door. Tell me come. Tell me come. Was a killer, all bitch dope.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.